Neither Dave nor Klover promises the same cash advance limit for every user because both apps calculate eligibility individually based on your connected bank account and account activity. By the end of this video, you'll know how Dave and Klover determine advance limits, which app may offer higher limits for some users, and what actually affects the amount you can receive. Here's the direct answer. Dave generally has the potential to offer higher cash advance limits than Klover, but that does not mean every user will qualify for a larger advance. Your available limit depends on your own financial profile, not just the app you choose. Let's start with Dave. Dave connects to your bank account and reviews your deposit history, spending patterns, and overall account activity. As your account builds a stronger history, your available advance may increase if you continue meeting the app's eligibility requirements. The process is automatic, so there isn't a manual request to raise your limit. Now compare that with Klover. Klover also connects to your bank account to determine eligibility, but it uses its own system to decide available advance amounts. The app evaluates your account information before displaying what you're eligible to receive. Like Dave, there isn't a fixed amount that every user receives. So why do some people see different limits even when using both apps? The answer is simple. Your banking history matters more than the app itself. Regular direct deposits, consistent account activity, and successful account verification generally have a bigger impact than switching from one provider to another. Another point worth checking is how each app handles delivery options and repayment. Before accepting any advance, review the repayment date, available delivery methods, and any optional services that may appear during the request process. Understanding those details helps you avoid surprises later. If your goal is qualifying for the highest possible limit, focus on keeping your bank account active, maintaining regular income deposits, and connecting the account you actually use for everyday banking. Those factors usually matter more than downloading multiple advance apps at once. So which app should you choose? If your priority is maximizing your potential advance, Dave may be the stronger option because it generally offers higher possible limits for eligible users. If you're looking for a different experience or already use Klover's features, Klover can still be a useful choice depending on your eligibility. To recap, Dave generally has the higher potential advance limits, while Klover determines limits using its own eligibility system. Your banking history ultimately decides what you'll qualify for. Compare both apps carefully, review the repayment terms before accepting an advance, and choose the one that best fits your financial habits. If this comparison helped, leave a like, subscribe, and check out our other 2026 app comparisons.